Hi, I'm Mitch from Bosch, and this is the GKT 55 GCE. I'm here today to explain to you the warped baseplate issue and how to easily avoid this by following the correct beveling procedure. This is relevant for all bevel settings, from -1 degree, 0 degree, all the way up to 47 degrees. To demonstrate how to do this incorrectly, first we need to loosen both bevel adjustments. Move the saw to any angle and tighten the rear adjustment. Now, if I'm to place my weight on the auxiliary handle before tightening the front adjustment, the front angle will be now different to the rear angle, and we can see this by the rock in the base plate. To correct this, first we need to loosen both bevel adjustments, reset the angle, and retighten the rear adjustment. Now, it is very important that we don't put any weight on the auxiliary handle or the body of the tool. Simply tighten the front adjustment as it stands. Now we can see the base plate sits perfectly flat to the table. To summarise, when making any bevel adjustments, it is crucial that no weight is applied to the auxiliary handle before the front and rear bevel locks are secured tightly. Thanks for watching.